Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm back with yet another haul and I'm super excited for this one because I got some makeup. So let's go. Let's start with today's video and let's see what all did I get. Okay, so if you haven't watched my earlier videos, I did shop some new makeup brushes. I got some from PAC and I really loved their quality, and so I had to order some of their face brushes too because I really loved how they are and how they work. They are just perfect. Like, you just need 3 or 4 of them. If you're a beginner, you need not have a dozen of them, and they are such multitaskers. You're sorted for life. So the very first brush I got is this is my absolute wala favorite brush. This is PAC 111. Look at how beautiful this brush is, and yes, I did wash it. It did not shed. The bristles are super soft. Like, oh my god, this is like a therapy. Like, when I do my makeup with this brush, I just feel like karte jao. It is so soft. I really loved the quality. Now this is such a versatile brush, shape, because of which it is really easy to powder underneath your eyes. You can bake with this. You can also chisel your face, like you can bronze, you can contour with the tip of the brush. You can also apply blush with this brush by placing it horizontally, like in this way. It is like so super cool brush. I like highly recommend this face brush from PAC. And then the second brush that I got is this. Now I have, I think, 2 or 3 PAC foundation brushes. All are different styles, but I really love them and each one is different still. So this one is PAC 009. Again, I really loved this brush. Now the shape of this brush is really similar to one of the Bobbi Brown brushes, and that is like hell expensive. This one was super affordable, like 500 something, and like there are many deals on Amazon, so you can definitely check that out too. I would have all of the product links in the description. And talking about this one particularly, this does have medium length bristles. It is quite compact. It is not very stiff. It is very easy to blend out the foundation with this kind of brush. It does have, like, softened rounded kind of edges given, but this is such a good blending brush. It does not leave any blending strokes at all, and blending is super easy with this kind of brush. I love to use this for my cream products, like be it foundation, be it concealer, be it your liquid blushes. This just works perfectly. So like, if you have these two, bhai, you're just sorted for life. I loved this brush. Then I think I have one more brush from PAC. So that is how the outer packaging comes of PAC brushes. Now this particular one is slightly different. I would just show it to you all. Okay, so this is PAC 368. You can see it is having that angle given to it, yet the bristles are super soft. So if you want to contour, you can use angled brushes like this. It is very convenient, very easy, and the placement is absolutely right with this kind of brush. And so I really love these kind of angled fluffy brushes. I love to bronze up my face with this. You can also apply your blush. If you have a smaller face, you can do that. For me, I have like a big potato face, so I like bigger brushes personally. But yes, you can use this for even contouring your nose, contouring your eyes. Like, this is again such a pretty brush. I really love the quality, a must have. So yes, those were all of the brushes. Now from beauty, I have 2 or 3 more beauty products. The first one is my 4th repurchase. So like, ये तो बनता था. I so swear by this product. This is the Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha. It's the Catsuit Liquid Matte Lipstick. I really love how this lip shade is, how it applies on my lips. It is just so pretty. It's absolutely stunning. I would just show you all a quick swatch. That is how the applicator is. It is a brown toned lipstick with hints of pink undertone, and this shade looks different on different people, and that is how pretty the color is. Oh my god, I loved it. And yeah, I really enjoy wearing this shade. It just works with so many outfits. Now this particular one was at a discounted price, so add kar diya. One is having their beauty sale and mega fashion days coming up, so you should definitely check out the sale and shop your favorites because this is the stocking time, sale season. I get so excited. Okay, so the next product I got is this. So I've heard a lot about this concealer. Like, a lot, like a seriously a lot. So finally I got this. This is the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer and I got it in the shade number 4. Now this particular one, I again got it for like 140 something. It was very affordable, and that is how the packaging of the concealer is. It is frosted matte bottle. Now I'm opening it with you. I didn't swatch it, so that is shade number 4. That is how it looks like. I don't know whether this does oxidize or not, but right off the back I can say the formula was very creamy, and that is what I like. Like when I see creamy formulas, I know here comes coverage along with that creaminess. So let's see how this one goes. I would surely try it up really soon, and this says that it does give you even coverage with luminous demi matte finish, ultra lightweight, and does not settle into your fine lines. So let's see how it goes. That the last product that I got in the beauty category is this. I got is from CAL. I don't know how do you pronounce this brand, but I really loved their sponge. I did receive it long time back once in my PR, and I happened to not take care of it, and so I had to get a new one for myself. And this is super squishy, super soft. This one grows a lot in size when it's damp, and this just blends the foundation so good, so good. I really loved the quality, and so I purchased it as I saw it on Amazon. And again, this one was at like super slashed price, so loved it. Moving on to the fashion category, I got 2 things. The first one is this, Western jewelry. This is from the brand Jewels Galaxy. So this is a brand which makes this kind of fashion jewelry or statement pieces, and I got this earring from them. How pretty these earrings are. They have these crystals all nude with these chains hanging down. This just looks so pretty. I loved it. I really loved it. This is just so gorgeous. Super excited to have them in my collection. So yes, that was the first item, and moving on to the last and the best item that I have. So I picked up this beautiful nude pink dress from the brand India. Now this is like your jumpsuit, like slightly Indo-Western kind of jumpsuit. It is very pretty. Let me just quickly show it to you all. So that is how it looks like. It does have this kind of cross neckline with half side of detailing thread work given, and the half side is plain. It is solid in color, and when you go down, it splits into 2 parts, like the pant starts exactly the jumpsuit style, and behind it's entirely plain with a zip closure given. This particular one is so pretty on. It just looks so good. The overall this side is just on one leg. You can see it better in the try on side. Looks so pretty on, and I really loved how this turned out to be. The model was looking fab wearing this, and so I decided on getting this one. So yes, that was the last item that I got off Amazon. You should definitely check out their sale. Really loved it. And yes, I would have all of the product links mentioned in the description box. You can check that out. And yes, I shall meet you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.